Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University. I received a lot of requests about ChatGPT and how you can use it in your daily life or your business life. Well, today I'm going to give you a few examples of what you can do with ChatGPT, and it's 100% free. Let's get started. So what are some of the things that we can do with ChatGPT? We can write our resume, we can write emails, reply to emails, we can create marketing campaigns, we can generate art, photography, and images, we can use Sora to create short videos, we can write marketing strategies, we can create daily workout routines or your daily plan. You can write songs, you can write a book, you can code, you can also debug your coding. If you're a teacher, you can create quizzes and tests and also grade students' homework. You can summarize large documents or summarize text. So if I had a big contract, I can tell ChatGPT to give me the gist of that contract in 10 bullet points. I can do expansive research and brainstorming as well. And then you can take a very complicated topic and tell ChatGPT to explain it to a 10-year-old, and it will do that. You can do almost anything you want to do with ChatGPT. The one thing that I don't recommend you do is use ChatGPT or any AI for personal advice. With that said, let's look at a few of these examples and how this will work with ChatGPT. If I were looking for an idea on how to start a company with $100, and here I'm not very specific, but you can be. This is my niche or what I'm interested in. How can I start a business with this, doing this? For example, and this is what it tells you to do. And I wanted to know the steps. Like, just don't tell me. You have to make sure you're more specific with this program. So I made it tell me the actual opportunities and then the steps. I can also ask it, I can type in, how can I become rich making reaction videos on YouTube? Give me a daily schedule, ideas, and show me what's trending on YouTube. This part tells me what's trending, everything from faceless channels to gaming to try-on hauls, reaction videos, things like that. Then at the bottom, it's going to give me a daily schedule that I should adhere to if I want to be successful doing reaction videos. It allocates time for writing, video editing, lunch. Here are some niche ideas you can dive into. How you can actually make money, affiliate marketing, merchandise, sponsorships, brand deals. It does a great job. It also tells you the do's and don'ts of that. And you can fine tune it. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a resume for me based on limited experience, but make me look more professional. Here's the resume. And you can put your state, email, all the stuff up here. This is your summary. And here they're telling you to insert whatever companies you work for. And if you work for multiple companies, you can specify that here. You can also specify your education and any other things you want to. And this is what you want to do for every job list. If you're looking for a daily plan in life, in this case, we have a single mom who works and goes to school. This could also be you. You just work, you go to school. Maybe you're a small business owner. Doesn't matter. You want ChatGPT to organize your life from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can make this as detailed as you want or as complicated as you want. How about your weekends? If you have a customer complaint, if you need to write a cover letter, if you need to reply to an email, anything you need to write and make it look professional, use your personal secretary, ChatGPT. In this case, we have a dissatisfied customer because the bathrooms were dirty, the employees were rude, and the fruits and veggies were old. This is what ChatGPT wrote. This also gets results. And you can tailor this to an email, a Yelp post, whatever you want. And then it's going to ask you, in this case, do you want to do something else? Can I tone it down? Can I tone it up? What if you were creating a podcast and you wanted to create the perfect image for that podcast? you can ask ChatGPT to do that. This was based on a comic tutorial creation for cooking pasta. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a song about world problems and unity. There's your song. Here's your bridge, chorus, the whole 9 yards. Now I can also specify, say if I said just pop. It's going to rewrite that song in a pop format, pop version. Now, I'll change it to, I'm going to stay logged out, hands around the world. You can also, down here, I can use voice mode. So instead of typing this in, I can tell ChatGPT to do something. But you have to be logged in.
I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So, what's the game plan?
Another cool thing that ChatGPT can do is it can analyze anything and you can upload one thing per day. For example, I'm just going to drop this in there like that. What is this? It's going to analyze the image and tell me what it is. Type in show video. It's going to search the internet and show me a video. In this next example, I took a video that I created 2 years ago on how to draw and use color pencils. And I asked ChatGPT to take that 30-minute video and give me a summary in 5 bullet points. I then asked it to analyze the video to show me how I could make better videos. And this works on anything, a website, a business plan, it does not matter. Well, as a consequence of that audit, I became a better video editor because ChatGPT gave my video a D. But it showed me how to make corrections. And that was 2 years ago, and since then I've been monetized. I'm not going to lie to you. I was flabbergasted by how detailed this audit was of my video and how correct and accurate it was. If I mentioned something about the lighting, it would analyze the lighting. It looked at every single detail. It gives you calls to action. It also gives you a lot of recommendations, tips, and tricks regarding your specific video. These are just a few examples of what you can do with ChatGPT. There are so many more. So I implore you to check it out. It's 100% free. You don't have to sign up for the paid version. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.